that, Nilly. Get it, Nilly, get it. Oh my God!
Hands are freezing. I got something like a snowball.
Where's Nilly?
It's not get cold. Get cold.
What do you think she's gonna do when she starts feeling cold? She's gonna like come up to you and tell you, cold.
Man, it's getting cold out here. Let's go home.
I don't think that's what she's saying right now. Benil! Benil? Oh God, there we go.
Get out here. I'm hungry.
What you got in mind?
I don't know. Biscuit maybe over my house. What? You want biscuit?
I think she just peed. She had a little quick pee. Pee break. Look at the mark she's made in the snow. This is something you can send your mom. There she goes. There she goes. Meow. Oh yeah, Roy, she's freezing.
Huh?
I said, oh yeah, Roy, she's freezing. She's got a mouthful of snow.
Yeah.
You can't get me in this tough. You can't get me. So come on, do it again. Do it again. No. 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 Okay, maybe yeah.
I couldn't roll her over. Good balance, stop.
She's chilling with some snow.
That's a little soft then.